All right, so today we have a 1971 Chevy Impala. And I know what you're thinking. What do you guys do in getting another old school car? We saw what happened with the last old school car. We had the lowrider. Right now we're having some technical difficulties. We're about to run the car in the lane and the car battery just died. But we all know lowriders don't work in Florida. But the dunks, they do. Check out this 1971 Chevy Impala 400 sitting on 26-inch wheels with an 8-inch lip. This car is not playing. It's got a 6.2 liter LS2 motor with only 10,000 miles on it. It is clean. The thing is like brand new. You can just slide right inside. Look at this redone interior. It has a classic look from 1971. So you get that new school, old school feel on here. Once you pop the trunk, you got two 12s, and trust me, the sound system is stupid. If you are really thinking about doing a show, don't worry about it. This baby's already won Best Old School, Best in the Bullies in 2021 first day out. This ain't a rebuild. This is a flex old school soul with new school muscle. The interior is mint. All looks factory. Only thing you can tell is that they did a switch up on the radio. The sound system is incredible in the car. Also, you got to take a look at underneath the hood. This is a 6.2 LS. Motor's only got 10,000 miles on it. As you can see, the car is painted very, very nice. So if you're looking for a dunk or you want, a fun weekend car, this car is it. Give us a call. I'll give you a great deal today here at Autobon. Save you time, save you money, no hassle.